Welcome to my video on adding integers on the number line. In Math 7, we will use the number line to add integers. Here we have a number line. As we move to the right on the number line, our numbers are getting bigger. Okay, so as we move to the right, our numbers are getting larger. As we move to the left on the number line, our integers are getting smaller. So we can compare the size of integers, for example, -6 and -1. -6 is smaller than -1, or -6 is less than -1, because -6 is further to the left on the number line. On the other hand, 7 and 5, we know that 7 is greater than 5 because 7 is further to the right on the number line. So as we move to the right, numbers get larger. As we move to the left, numbers get smaller. That's an important concept when we're going to use the number line to add integers. Let's try to add on the number line. The first thing I notice about this problem is I am going to be adding two integers that have different signs. The first part of the process of adding on the number line is to take your first addend and place it on the number line. 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to figure out which way do I need to go on the number line. If I'm adding a negative number, I'm going to move to the left. If I'm adding a positive number, I'm going to add to the right. This is a negative number, so that means I'm going to move to the left on the number line. So if I move -7, I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to land on -4, so my answer to 3 plus -7 is -4. Let's try -6 plus 4. Again, these two addends have different signs. We always take our first addend and we place a point on the number line, -6. The next thing we do is we decide which way on the number line do I want to go. Do I want to go right or left? Do I have a positive or negative integer that I'm adding? Well, 4 is positive, so I'm going to move 4 spaces to the right. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I see that my answer is -2. These two integers have the same sign. Again, our first step when we add integers on the number line is to take the first addend and plot it on our number line. So that's -2. Then we have to think, which way am I going on the number line? Well, -3 would mean I'm moving to the left on the number line by 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is -5. -2 plus -3 equals -5. How are we going to add integers if the numbers are too big for our number line? Our number line here runs from -7 to 7. What if we were asked to use this number line to solve the integer addition problem, -64 plus 100? Well, the answer to that question is we'll need to learn the rules for integer addition when numbers are too large for integer chips and number lines. Thanks for watching.